Do you have a spare bedroom that becomes a catch-all just for junk? Because that's what my spare bedroom does. If you saw my last video where I decluttered my clothes, you know that the young man that moved in with us decided to move his bedroom downstairs to the basement because it's a lot more quieter and it's a larger room. So now I've got this spare bedroom back and I want to go through and finish decluttering this room, clean it up, and get it back in shape to be a spare bedroom. So I've got a feeling that most of what I'm going to find in here is going to be trash. So I brought in a couple of trash bags and I do have a small box to use to declutter. There's still a lot of stuff in here that belongs to the young man downstairs. So I'm going to grab that first and take that down to his room. So I have a ton of coat hangers and I'm going to use those for when I go through and declutter the other closets, but I'm going to move them out of this room for now. So one thing I've noticed is all the extra pillows that I have, and a lot of mine are nasty. Why do we hold on to stuff like this? We go to bed at night and we sweat and we throw it in the washer and then it comes out misshapen, but yet we hold on to it. Why? So these are going to go today. That dresser back there, I want to go ahead and go through that. A couple of the drawers are already empty, but some of the others aren't. So I want to go through that and declutter that. So everybody has a sock pile, a pile of socks that they're waiting to find the matches to. I have a glove pile as well. These gloves don't have matches, but they've been sitting in that drawer. I've been waiting to find the match. I haven't found it, so these are trash. I've got a whole pile of bathing suits that were in that bottom drawer. I can't wear these, so these are getting decluttered. So this was an Instapot sitting on the floor. I think it came from my mother-in-law, but I know that I'm never going to use this, so I'm going to declutter it. So on one of these shelves on this bookcase, I actually have a bunch of empty cases for PlayStation games. The games we actually put into one of the zip-up binders, so we keep all of the games together. So these empty cases can go. I'm just going to trash them. So this is actually a game made for the computer, and I'm going to declutter it because we're never going to play this. So let me show you what I swept out from underneath of the bed. So everything that you see on the floor right here is what I swept out from underneath of the bed. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this room better. I want to go ahead and sweep and mop, and I want to get this bed made, and then we'll see how this room comes together. So this is what I'm decluttering today. I was also able to gather up 3 bags of trash to throw away today. So I wasn't able to declutter the top of the closet today. That can wait for another day, but my floor is clean. You can walk through here without having to step over anything or feeling like you're going to trip over something. So it feels really good to have a clean space and a nice comfortable room. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed decluttering videos, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon.